Hello, I'm Lynn from Beat It Percussion, and today we're going to do some sound relaxation. This is your opportunity to put aside your busy lives and have some real quality time for yourself. All you need to do is make yourself comfortable as possible, sitting or lying. You might want to grab a pillow or a blanket to make yourself feel extra comfortable and cozy. And if you'd like to close your eyes, you can. Enjoy your relaxation. Start with bringing your attention to your breath, becoming aware of the rhythm of your normal pattern of breathing. Gently expand the breath by breathing more deeply through the nose and out through the mouth. We're going to use a count of 4 to extend the breath and help us to feel calm and relaxed. First of all, breathing out, and then breathe in to the count of 4. Then we're going to hold the breath to the count of 4 and breathe out to the count of 4. So breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out, 2, 3, 4. Now you can return to your normal breathing pattern. Before we start with the relaxing sounds, I'd like you to use your imagination for a moment. I'd like you to imagine yourself in a tropical rainforest. Feel the warmth of the sun. This is a place where you feel safe to relax. Look around you at the tropical landscape, enjoying a sense of peace. Look at the beautiful shades of green that surround you, the amazing height of the trees and the exotic flowers. Listen to the birds and the rainforest creatures as they go about their day. You can hear the gentle sounds of water. Take a moment to imagine all the things you're carrying around with you today, all the responsibilities and problems. You can imagine placing them gently on the ground and walking away from them. There's no one here to disturb you. All you can hear is the sound of the birds and the gentle sounds of nature. This is your own private, peaceful place. Take a moment to breathe in the peacefulness and warmth of this beautiful landscape. have a gentle stretch and check your body for any tension that you might be aware of. And if you do find any tension, you might like to imagine breathing it away from you as you exhale. Take a couple more deep breaths and then bring your attention to your feet for a moment, still with your eyes closed. Give your toes a wiggle to bring the circulation back to the feet. Then bring your attention to your hands. Feel what your hands are resting on. Give your fingers a wiggle and a stretch to bring the circulation back to your hands. Take a couple more deep breaths. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. But take your time. Take a bit longer if you need it. When you have opened your eyes, give yourself a full body stretch and feel free to yawn.